we're live, Mom.
Hi, good evening, everyone. That's Sonal Mehta from Narendra Mahi, and welcome once again to another interesting session which we have been regularly doing. So this time I was very keen to do on Vastu. Because, personally speaking, Vastu and real estate are some things which are connected very closely. So if you are a buyer or if you are a developer or anybody, if you're talking about there, तो जब भी आप कुछ रियल एस्टेट के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हो करते हो वास्तु plays a very important role there. So if when you're talking about buying a property today, or if you're developing any real estate project, be it residential, commercial, and Vastu is something which is very very important for everybody to think about and do. पहले लोग इसको इतना सीरियसली लेते नहीं थे बट we've seen a lot of changes from the developers perspective also and from the buyers perspective also, where people have actually started taking it very seriously, and there are a lot of consultations which happen on it. So I wanted to take up this interesting topic along with Riddhi right now. So I welcome Riddhi Behel. She is with us. She's a very famous astrologer and a Vastu consultant. So if I have to introduce Riddhi, probably I would need pages to fill in that. But I would briefly like to introduce Riddhi here. She is a renowned expert in astrology and Vastu with over 20 years of research experience. She comes from a prestigious royal astrologer family of Jaipur, and she has received numerous awards, including recognition from the President of India in 2018. Wow, Riddhi, that's really amazing.
Thanks.
Riddhi has contributed extensively through writing in publications like Times of India and Femina. She consults for major companies like Tata Steel, Reliance Industries, and Magic Bricks. Riddhi has conducted over 5,000 successful Vastu cases studies globally. Wonderful. So globally, as in, do people actually follow Vastu even global? I thought, it was more of a concept in India. So when I was looking at your
Can I
profile,
repeat your question? I just got a call in between and it disturbed. Yes. What did you
yeah,
say? Two people
I
from
was looking at your profile, and I read it somewhere that probably you've been doing some Vastu consultation at a global level also.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm very impressed to know that Vastu as a concept have gone global as well. So
Yes, Sonal. In fact, even when I started, I just thought, it's just limited to India and, India also certain parts of India. But I was very amazed, when I traveled across, and I'll give you an example when I traveled to Johannesburg, that's South Africa. And there people have been living for generations. They told me that their great grandfathers, migrated in 1860, even before Gandhiji was born. We think of South Africa after Gandhiji went to South Africa, but these people were reached there much ahead. And
okay.
it's the fifth generation, sixth generation, who has been living there. So when you live in a country for so long, so you adapt that country's culture. But I was very amazed that these all people were following Vastu religiously. In
Wow,
fact, I met
very
with
interesting.
I met with an South African architect, and he says,
Huh.
so many of my projects I do as per Vastu.
Okay. No,
Yeah,
because generally, if anybody from the industry, if you talk about, so हमें लगता है कि वास्तु is an Indian concept, हम ही लोग follow
absolutely.
करते हैं and places. But I was very impressed to know when I read it in your CV that you've done some work even globally there. Great job.
Yes.
And apart from that, I'm really happy to share that she's active on a couple of other public forums as well. She has spoken at prestigious events like Ficky Flow, and that's how I had probably interacted with her first time. So her subject matter was very impressive. So the way she was questioning, whether taking questions on Vastu or replying back to that was, very, very interesting. So that's how, I thought probably we need to get into another discussion to understand more about Vastu as a concept. And lastly, she is consulted by wide clienteles, including prominent figures from world of entertainment, politics, corporates, and business houses.
Yeah. Mhm.
So amazed to have you here, Riddhi. Welcome to the Naredko Mahi session. And we will definitely look forward to a very interesting discussion on it.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you for
Sonal.
joining.
I was really looking forward for this session, and I hope the participants here who've come to hear the session, they have something interesting to take back.
Great. Thank you so much. So I think
Yeah.
let's start with the
Yeah.
discussions here. So here, Riddhi, when we're talking about, my first question here will be, can you provide a brief overview of Vastu Shastra and its significance in the modern real estate? How have modern real estate developers incorporated Vastu principles in their projects? Can you share some examples? Matlab, Vastu as a concept has been there for ancient years.
Correct.
But
Correct.
I personally feel that people in between were not very rigorously following up or working on it. उनको लगता था कि ठीक है लैंड खरीद लिया प्रोजेक्ट बना लिया तो बिक ही जाएगा या लैंड हमने डिजाइन आर्किटेक्ट से डिजाइन करवा लिया so we are done and dusted with this. But Vastu was something, which was not very prominent in between for few years. But now I personally feel, there are a lot of modern developers, the second generations or the third generations also who are coming in. They are also focused on Vastu right now. उनको भी लगता है, कि probably if we are doing something or starting with the project, even from buying the land part of it, it's important to get the Vastu done because once we have started it, it's difficult to change the situations then.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So, what is your thoughts or what is your point of view on this?
Okay, so before proceeding, to your question directly, I would like to explain what Vastu exactly is and how does it operate? Because there's
And
a
does it
lot
have
of
a science
confusion.
behind it? Most importantly, does it have a science behind it?
Absolutely, that's what I'm going to explain. So because when you understand the logic behind it, then the faith becomes more stronger. Then how does it work and how you can benefit out of it. Right? So you need to understand the concept behind it. What exactly is Vastu, right? See, Vastu is made up of two words, Vastu, jahan tu vas karta hai, where you reside, right? It has been a part of the Vedas, There are 4 Vedas and there are 6 Vedangs, right? So Jyotish, Ayurveda, Vastu and palmistry, Hastakala, they all form the part of the Vedang, which comes under Jyotish, right? So this has been a Vedang, means a part of the Vedas. Now Vedas, if you know, are very logical and scientific. Even in Vastu, there is nothing like Shubh, Ashubh, lucky, unlucky. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है वास्तु. Generally people say, अरे इस direction में kitchen होना चाहिए, ये होगा तो आप माला माल हो जाओगे, ये नहीं होगा तो आप बीमार हो जाओगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है. No direction is 100% good direction. No direction is 100% bad direction. Every direction has its own, good points and not so good points. Right? Sorry, I'm having a little bad throat, so you'll have to bear with me for this.
No
Okay.
worries. Please
Now
take it
talking
in.
about Vastu, how does it operate? काम कैसे करता है Vastu? See, Vastu simply works on the theory of 5 elements, which we call as Panch Tattva or Panch Mahabhut, which is air, water, fire, earth, and sky. Right? Everything on this planet is made up of these 5 elements, be it you, me, the animal, the plants, everything. Right? You must have heard of the term Kaf, Vat, and Pit. Right? Kaf is water and earth together. Vat is air. Pit is fire. Right? These Ayurveda says whenever there is an imbalance of any of these elements, it leads to ill health. आप तब बीमार पड़ते हो. Suppose if there is more fire, then you have fever. If there is less fire, you have low BP. If there is more water, it's water retention. If there is less water, it's dehydration. Right? So any ailment that we have in a body is connected to these elements. So the way these elements have an impact on our body, similarly, they have an impact on the structure that we are living in or using. It can be an office, it can be a factory, it can be a commercial space, it can be a residence. Right? So Vastu basically works on the theory of 5 elements. Now, what is Vastu Dosh? Vastu Dosh is whenever there is an imbalance of these elements. And what does a Vastu person do? A Vastu person tries to create the balance. That's it. Right?
Okay.
Now,
right.
Now,
Huh.
coming to your question, that when Vastu, earlier it was different, now with the modern context, it is different. Okay,
Hmm.
also one more thing, Sonal, I forgot to tell. Apart from the five elements, Vastu works on the principle of movement of sun. The sun rises in the east,
Right.
sets in the west, travels via south. And that is for the people who are living in the northern hemisphere. If we go to the
Okay.
southern hemisphere, like Australia, Africa, or Indonesia, the sun rises in the east, sets in the west, and travels via north. So
Hmm.
Vastu there becomes different. What is northeast here is southwest there, right?
True.
So this
So
is, yeah, so it
that's
is the
a whole
polarity
circle.
that becomes different. So this is how, this is how Vastu basically works. Now, but your question that, it was earlier, it was different, now it is different. See, when Vastu was written, the ideal house, which the Vastu Shastra text says, is
Hmm.
one which has an open courtyard. There in houses, there used to be one toilet and one bathing area, which used to be in one corner. There used to be the kitchen used to be in another corner. But
True.
now, with family sizes becoming so small, with space being a constraint nowadays, right? And it is getting difficult to maintain big houses. We are moving to smaller
Absolutely.
houses.
That's the whole project about, that
Yeah,
maintaining bigger houses is
yeah,
another concept, right?
exactly. And even also family sizes becoming smaller. You cannot have a
Hmm.
big house where only two people are living or only four people are living, right? They want a smaller place. Now, with apartment system coming in, when Vastu was written, there were no apartments. Nobody could imagine that we would live in apartments,
Hmm.
right? But then does that means that we can't apply those same principles now on apartments? No, because see, the five element theory and the theory of sunrise and sunset
Happening
is the
the
same,
same, right?
right? But
Right.
yes, we have to, with the same, keeping the traditional, keeping these elements in mind, we have to apply them in the modern context. Like I
Hmm.
said, in earlier times, would be only one toilet which the entire family is using. Now,
Right.
every room attached has a bathroom, has a
Hmm.
toilet. Now,
Hmm.
bathing area and toilet is same. Earlier, it was not, right? So, now keeping those same principles, applying them in the modern context, that is where the role of Vastu consultant becomes more
Comes in.
evident, and that is where it comes, right? Now, you said, like, a lot of people from the second generation of builders are really adopting to Vastu,
To
whereas
the
there was
new
a
concept
generation
of
which
art.
was not,
Absolutely. Huh.
right? So, what happened, Sonal? See, when the Mughals came to India, Indian history is long,
Hmm.
when the Mughals came to India, they were very jealous of our culture. So,
Hmm.
all these sciences were not very openly promoted. They became confined to families. Now, suppose there would be
Right.
an astrologer. Earlier, there would be Gurukul, where he would teach
Hmm.
everybody and anybody. Now, this astrologer, because of being scared of the king or, the people in authority, would only limit it to his own children. So, what happened? These sciences became confined to families and then confined to states.
Hmm.
That's why there's always a conflict between North India and South India,
And South India. Right.
right?
And
So
that's a
this is what
major
happened.
difference. That's a
Yeah.
major
Then
difference.
then
Right.
the foreign invasion in terms of French, then the Britishers happened. We
Hmm.
became a poor country. Our generation is the second generation after independence, which is realizing the value and importance of our own heritage and culture. Like, see, yoga, how it has made a comeback. It was always there,
True.
right?
But people were not very inclined about it. It's
Exactly. They
just
were
that,
not aware.
हाँ, matlab, even if aware, so there was
Yeah.
not much of inclination about it. It's just
Yeah.
that, I would say a lot of contribution towards COVID also, that people have at least started thinking about yoga or other practices to,
Yeah.
again, to take
So
care of
same thing
their.
happened with Vastu and astrology also, that, because I'm an astrologer also, so astrology comes to me
Natural.
naturally. But yes, same thing happened with Vastu and astrology also, that people, they started realizing the importance of are these ancient sciences. And
Right,
unfortunately, there were not many learned and trained people who could promote this science in a scientific manner.
right.
Right? Mostly, as I said, it was confined to families. So, a lot of people I meet today, they say, हमने हमारे दादाजी से सीखा, हमने हमारे नाना जी से सीखा. अब वो कितनी knowledge आई, कितनी नहीं आई, that's a big question mark. So,
Matlab, you mean to say that there is no proper training which was done? It's
yes,
just that
absolutely.
my hereditary it was being carried forward. Right.
Exactly, exactly. So, but that doesn't mean that people don't have knowledge. Yes, there are a lot of knowledgeable people, right?
Hmm.
But then promoting it in the right manner is what is important and what is the need of the hour,
True.
right? And also, as I started and I said, there is nothing lucky, unlucky in this science.
Hmm.
A lot of people get scared. They think it's a science of fear, what it has been made, which it is
Hmm.
not. These are guiding sciences,
Hmm.
right? If your house is made as per Vastu, you get the benefit of all the directions. Like, why do they say you should have a kitchen
Absolutely.
in the southeast? Why?
Hmm.
Because, see, during the sun rises in the east, the time from 12 noon to 2 p.m., that is the hottest day of the hottest time of the day. 12
Right.
बजे से 2 बजे तक
2
सबसे
बजे
तेज
तक, हाँ.
पीक पे धूप होती है, be
True.
it winters or summers. Now
Hmm.
that is the hottest direction. We call it as Agni Kund, right? Agni
Right.
means fire. Where is
Right.
live fire in the house? It is in the kitchen. So if you have the kitchen in the Agni Kund, that is in the southeast, so you are aligning your structure with the nature.
Right.
So you are
हाँ.
getting the
So
benefit of it.
that's the science behind it. मतलब लोग
Yes.
जनरली
So,
उस
like
पर्सपेक्टिव से
this, for
सोचते नहीं
every
है.
direction, whatever is written in the Vastu classic books, I can reason out to you that.
हाँ, so that's the whole purpose,
Yeah.
because people generally talk about it कि वास्तु के हिसाब से ऐसे होना चाहिए, वास्तु के हिसाब से ये डायरेक्शन होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
But when you're speaking to any end customer or any buyer or a developer, so he doesn't understand the logic behind it. मतलब अगर आज हम घर खरीदने जाते हैं, हमें कोई बोलता है ये डायरेक्शन ठीक नहीं है, वास्तु ठीक नहीं है, या इस वास्तु के हिसाब से होना चाहिए, so probably nobody understands the logic behind it.
Exactly. And that is very important that you understand the logic behind it. That is what
Yeah,
I'm saying, that we, when I talk with logic, then even the younger generation is able to relate with it. And that's very, very important. If you're doing something, why? That why needs to be answered. You can just
absolutely.
not brush it aside. नहीं नहीं ऐसा सुना है, ऐसा लोग कहते हैं. अब कौन लोग कहते हैं भाई?
हाँ, तो मतलब
That.
the science behind it needs to be discussed rather
Absolutely.
than just the concept कि ऐसे ही होता है तो होता
Correct.
है तो फिर चल ही जा रहा है. Nobody bothers to understand more about it unless and until people like you come and speak about it कि this is the
Right.
science behind it, and that's the reason it is done this way.
Correct. Correct.
True.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So see, this is how Vastu operates.
Right.
Right. And as I said that, now in the modern context where the shapes of the houses is very different, the structure is very different. But yes, Vastu does applies, and keeping the modern principle, keeping the traditional principles, but applying them in the modern context is what we need to do. And talking about real estate and builders, they get very scared that if you employ a vastu person, वो कहेगा ये जगह छोड़ दो, ये plot सही नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. There are remedies, there are simple ways of making that
Hmm.
place vastu compliant or using it in a proper way.
True. I would just share a very small example on this, because
Yeah.
when the developer starts work without consultation on it, so there are certain examples, where the project goes for a toss. Very good example that I can share with you without naming the developer right now. It's like, this project is on the highway, and right after the toll, अब उस project के अंदर that there is a retail space, there is a office space, and there is a hotel. अब that retail and the office space is literally 80% completed. The hotel is 40% completed, but the project is under stall for last almost 6 years. There is no
Oh,
work happening on the project.
oh, oh.
हाँ, तो मतलब वो कोविड के टाइम पे वो अटक गया, तो उसके बाद से वो प्रोजेक्ट कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. एंड जो रिटेल और ऑफिस स्पेस है उसमें एटलीस्ट 40-50% बिका भी हुआ है, बट फिर भी वो प्रोजेक्ट वो स्टॉल प्रोजेक्ट के वहां पे क्राइटेरिया में आया हुआ है. So, the developer came back to me that, probably we're looking at exiting this project, or, probably we are looking at somebody to come in as a joint venture partner. वो literally पिछले 4 साल से लगा हुआ है कि कोई प्रोजेक्ट आके खरीद ले या कोई जॉइंट वेंचर पार्टनर आ जाए, बट nobody wants to do it. I have probably, shown this project to at least 5 to 6 bigger developers. They are very excited about the project till the time, they see it on paper. But जैसे वो साइट विजिट के लिए जाते हैं ना, they go on mute. अब
Oh.
वहां I don't know, there is some problem in the project, वहाँ कुछ रेकी का issue है, कुछ वास्तु का issue है, that project is gone for a toss. There's no buyer for that project. मतलब imagine it's a 7,50,000 square feet area total.
area.
And the developer जो अभी existing developer है वो बोल रहा था ये 500 करोड़ रुपए में मैं बेच दूंगा project as it is basis पे. जो भी बना हुआ है, ऑफिस स्पेस बना हुआ है, रिटेल बना हुआ है, उसके अंदर होटल जो भी बना हुआ है, इंक्लूडिंग द लैंड पार्सल, आई एम गुड टू डंप इट फॉर 500 करोड़. एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू बाय, प्लीज गो अहेड एंड बाय. और वहां पे पता है रिद्धि, दैट एरिया इज द प्राइम लोकेशन, इट्स राइट आफ्टर द टोल. वहां पे आपको 500 करोड़ रुपए में तो लैंड भी नहीं मिलेगा.
I
Where
can
this guy
understand.
is ready to sell.
आप मुझे दिखाओ, I'll help you, see that the project
I'll
moves, or at least, people are, at least
connect
somebody, you
you.
get a buyer for it.
No, no, absolutely. I'll definitely connect you to the team there.
See,
And in case
so
you can find
here,
a solution.
Sonal, when you're talking about projects, and there are projects like this. There are a lot of
Absolutely.
projects like this, which get stalled in between. Or,
Yeah.
like I did this with a very famous builder in Bombay. They had made a building, and they were able to sell most of it, but a particular block, the flats in that particular block were not able to sell. And
True.
we did simple Vastu remedies, which were, which were practical, which are not impractical, which were, which did not require any structural changes, because that is also one point that builders are very scared of. Ki, nahi, if we rope in a Vastu person, he or she will come and, spoil our designs or spoil the structure. No, it doesn't happen always, right? So, and within 3 months after we did the remedies, they were able to sell all their apartments. So, Vastu is, if done logically, and, a thorough studies done about what is the reason, why this thing is not happening or not selling, one can give very easy and simple solutions, and it can work. It's not
Absolutely.
always that, there has to be elaborated, things or remedies which needs to be done.
Absolutely. No, I completely
Yeah.
sync in with this, Riddhi. Probably, if I would have not seen this project, I would have still thought about it, कि
Correct.
ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. But मैं तो
Correct.
इन लोगों को literally पिछले साल भर से देख ही रही हूँ. So the project has gone for a toss there.
Correct. Correct.
So thank you so much. I think, very well explained about science of Vastu and how does it impact overall levels. So here my next question would be, how does Vastu align with the contemporary architectural practice?
Okay, so see, like I said, that in modern context, as I said, the structure, if you see in last 20 years, forget 20s, even in 10 years, Sonal, the way construction industries change altogether. The way development is happening, the way new technology is coming, and things are becoming very different. When we were kids, the kind of houses we lived in, now the kind of houses they are. And in a small apartment, you want all the amenities, you want all the facilities, you want the best of everything, and then obviously you wanted a Vastu compliant as well. Now, before I got into a session with you, I was talking to somebody in Hyderabad consulting a client, and it was already a builder floor, and he said, "नहीं, ma'am, puja यहाँ पे नहीं है, यहाँ पे है," and the other discussion we were happening. Then I told him, I said, देखो aesthetically यहाँ पे सही होगा, पर आप देख लो. He said, no, I'll follow Vastu till the so
South
I
Indians
wanted,
are very particular about it. South
yes,
Indians
yes,
are
yes,
very
yes, yes.
particular about it.
So I told him, I said,
They-
देखो ये इसको ना इस तरह से अगर रखोगे तो this will be, I said, ideal direction certainly is northeast. So they said, okay, fine. The designers was also on the call, and both of them agreed. They said, "नहीं, we'll do it. Don't worry on that."
हाँ, मैं वही बता रही हूँ.
Yeah. So, even in the modern context, people are willing to, as I said, if you explain them the science and the logic, right? And Vastu is certain, and there is another theory, which goes around, is that, Vastu is only applicable for ground floors. It's not applicable for high rise. Well, that's not the case. देखो,
why is that? मतलब ऐसा क्यों है? Why is the concept that it's not applicable for high rise?
It is applicable. That's what I'm saying. So there a lot of people come to me saying that, Vastu is not applicable for high-rise buildings. Whereas that is not the case.
So
Because
logic.
direction to direction है. 5 elements भी हैं, sun का movement भी है, तो ऐसे क्यों होगा कि high-rise पे नहीं apply होगा? वो बिल्कुल apply होता है. But आप देखो, जैसे अभी आपने मुझे प्रोजेक्ट का एक एग्जांपल दिया, which has a hotel also, which has a office space also, which has apartments also. So जब हम ऐसा suppose एक ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइन करते हैं, so then we take the Vastu of the entire land area. कि भाई
हम्म।
आपने कहा 7 लाख स्क्वायर फीट की एरिया है, राइट? तो हम उसमें देखेंगे, उसका हम पहले पूरा जो फ्लोर प्लान है, जो जमीन का है, वो स्टडी करेंगे कि वेयर शुड द ऑफिस स्पेस बी, वेयर शुड द
एब्सोल्युटली।
होटल बी, वेयर
हाँ।
शुड द अपार्टमेंट्स बी, राइट? देन वी टेक द इंडिविजुअल प्लान ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल स्ट्रक्चर्स, जैसे होटल का अलग
राइट।
स्ट्रक्चर होगा, फ्लैट्स का अलग होगा, ऑफिस स्पेस का अलग होगा, एंड देन वी वर्क ऑन दैट,
हम्म।
right? So talking about the modern context, this is how, in the modern day to day, this is how Vastu is applied. So then now there is another thing, Sonal, is that now most of the people live in apartments which are builder apartments or builder floors, which are done
Right.
by the builder and given to you. Now,
And you can't
this
make much
case,
of changes in them.
yes, and in this case, अब नया नया आपको apartment मिला, obviously you would not want to bring about any structural change. Then what do we do? So as I'm saying again and again, there are simple solutions, there are simple remedies by which you can make a house 100% Vastu compliant.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
absolutely. I think, that is something which is very important because generally लोग क्या होता है कि लोग बोलते हैं हमने architect hire कर लिया है and that
right,
architect is going to do the plan and
right.
everything and we will do it as per that. अब उनको ये लगता है अगर इसमें हमने साथ में वास्तु वाले को भी ले आए, अब वो वास्तु वाला आर्किटेक्ट के साथ अलाइन नहीं हो पाया, तो
Huh,
the whole design will go for a toss.
ask me.
So that's a
Right.
major tussle between an architect and the Vastu consultant. The
Yeah,
architect sometimes, has a different design in mind, but it doesn't fit into the Vastu thing. So वो बहुत
yeah,
difficult हो जाता है for a buyer or for a developer. But like you said, I think it's very critical that we align on it right from the beginning,
yeah.
where they are still at a land stage rather than building बनने के बाद structural changes करना
Correct,
या
correct.
फिर project को और delivery में issues आएंगे बाद में. So that's another cycle of discussion. So I think
Correct.
very important right from base level, the architecture and the Vastu consultants can align on things and do the project there.
Very true.
Very
Very, very
interesting.
true.
Okay, so coming back on my next question here, Riddhi, what are the some common challenges developers face when applying the Vastu principles in urban settings?
Okay, so most of the challenges,
Very
जो भी
important
challenges
question
हैं,
for us. Reason behind हमारे नरेटको के अंदर सारे developers ही हैं, so it will be very important for them to
yeah,
understand.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Firstly is the shape of the land. So
Right.
वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है, सो मोस्टली कई जगहों पे आपको रेगुलर शेप नहीं मिल पाती है,
Okay.
ट्रायंगुलर होती है, आड़ी टेढ़ी होती है. लाइक आई रिमेम्बर आई वेंट टू कैलकाटा एंड आई डिड अ वास्तु दैट वाज ऑल्सो अ फैक्ट्री, बट दैट वाज शेप्ड लाइक अ पिस्टल, आगे से elongated, then it went like this, then it had a tail like this, so and there were a lot of challenges in that,
Hmm.
right? Abhi I did one in Mangalore, and that was proper triangle. Well, I've
Okay.
never seen a shop, a place like this. So, this is one thing that the realtors or the developers find a challenge, is finding a proper shape. Mostly
Hmm.
mil jata hai, but kai jagah pe it becomes a challenge. Again, I'm saying that we have remedies to make the shape regular, because as per the classical text of Vastu, the regular the shape, the better it is for the project, right?
Okay.
So that is one thing. Second thing
And
is,
what is the definition of regular here?
regular here is either it has to be square or a rectangular,
Okay.
right? Irregular, I mean, it can be a zigzag, like I gave you an example of a pistol kind of a shape, or
Huh.
it is like, circular also is okay. But, sometimes it's a circle extended on one side, becomes like a L from one side, becomes like a O from one side. So that is kind of an irregular shape. Or,
Hmm.
it's a square, but the square is stretching from one side, right?
Hmm.
So that becomes an irregular shape. So it has to be a regular shape, firstly. Like when you say regular, it's either rectangular or a square, right? So
Okay.
that is better. Suppose if
Hmm.
it is irregular, then, we have remedies by which we can make the shape regular. And whatever is the irregular area, we can utilize it, in a proper manner,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So these are things which can be done very easily, firstly.
But sorry to bother in between, but this is possible only once before we start the construction, right?
Absolutely. Yeah,
क्योंकि
Sonal, that's a
एक
very
बार
important
आप
point.
एक बार आप ऑलरेडी उस इरेगुलर शेप के ऊपर काम चालू कर चुके हो, सो I don't think any remedies or anything can be worked across
कि
after
अगर
that.
काम शुरू कर रहे हैं, बीच में भी काम है, तो भी हम कुछ कुछ कर सकते हैं, बट एक बार ही काम शुरू हो गया, प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हो गया, फिर हम करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. Although I
हाँ.
have done couple of projects where they have been completed,
अच्छा.
and again, yeah, again they had challenges, like वो challenges आए, तो फिर हम क्या करें? Then we found out when we saw the floor plan कि यार ये तो this is the problem, so then we did solution, and that did yield into positive results for the client, right? So
Okay.
that did happen, correct? So
Okay.
this is one big challenge. The second challenge that the developers and real estate people face is selling the property.
Right.
That
If
is
the
one
shape is
very
irregular.
important thing. Yeah.
Right.
So because most of them approach to me is when they are not able to sell the property. So
Hmm.
then here also, Sonal, it so happens that they reach me or approach me once the whole project is done and they are facing challenges. तो
Hmm.
वहां पे भी हमारे थोड़े लिमिटेड हमारे को लिमिटेशन हो जाती है कि वी कैन ब्रिंग अबाउट मेनी चेंजेस, but then
Hmm.
still we can. So again, I'm coming to the point like what I cited you earlier, that there are ways and there are remedies and there's simple procedures by which we can sell the property easily, right?
Okay.
Again, here I would like to say something, that vastu is no magic. It is
Hmm.
not कि आज मैंने वास्तु की और कल उसका रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. वास्तु is a process. So generally, after we do a remedy, it takes between 3 months to 6 months for you to see the results. But
अच्छा.
I give you an
Okay.
example that within 3 months,
हाँ.
Bombay builders were able to sell all their flats. I
Hmm.
remember one of my clients in Gurgaon was wanting to sell a piece of land at a very prime location. And
Hmm.
within 40 days of doing a remedy, we were able to sell it, which was stuck for last 4-5 years.
Okay.
Right? So as I'm saying, so this way we can really help people overcome challenges when it comes to real estate or any property. If you apply the vastu the correct way and in a positive way, you can certainly get results. So first, answering to your question again, first point was the shape of the property. Second and the foremost important is the selling of the property. And third point is what you had given example, is property काम शुरू तो कर दिया पर वो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. This
हाँ.
is also one.
Stuck. It's stuck. So
Yeah,
there is
it's
no
stuck.
work
Yeah.
happening there.
So this is one thing that I found, very common, not just with real estate, even with small house owners. I did this project in South Delhi, and वो something or the other was happening, and they said कि मैम वो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा, हमारा expected time 2 साल था, 4 साल हो गए, कुछ ना कुछ चले ही जा रहा है. So this is also one of the challenges that they face. Right? So इसकी भी there are simple ways of overcoming this. जैसे इस केस में, पर्टिकुलर केस में क्या हुआ था, जैसे साउथ ईस्ट है, साउथ ईस्ट में the southeast level should not be below the ground level. There should not be any water body in the southeast. इन
Okay.
लोगों ने क्या किया, साउथ ईस्ट में गड्ढा करा था, साउथ ईस्ट में पानी स्टोर कर रहे थे. सिंपल, कुछ नहीं किया सोनल,
Nobody thinks
सिंपल उनका
about it,
साउथ ईस्ट को
right?
भरवा दिया, पानी
हाँ.
वहां से हटा दिया, उनका प्रोजेक्ट चलना शुरू हो गया, 6 महीने में कंप्लीट हो गया.
हाँ, बट वही बोल रही हूँ ना कि इस
Yeah.
पर्सपेक्टिव से कोई सोचता नहीं है. So everybody only thinks about probably project नहीं हो रहा है, project नहीं हो रहा है, project नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah.
They would spend enough of time, energy, everything on it, but nobody would
Correct.
want to think at that point of time कि
Correct.
probably there could be some remedies which can be done.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And remedies generally don't always mean, rather either don't indulge in remedies like crystal कर लो, या पिरामिड लगा लो, या जेम्स गाड़ के डाल दो. देखो, जब वास्तु लिखा गया था तभी क्रिस्टल, पिरामिड्स, ये चीजें एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती थी. राइट? दीज आर मोर मार्केटिंग गिमिक्स.
Right.
राइट? कि भाई कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो क्रिस्टल लगा लो, ये नहीं हो तो पिरामिड लगा लो. अगर क्रिस्टल और पिरामिड लगाने से सही होता तो फिर कोई प्रोजेक्ट अटकता ही नहीं ना, फिर तो सभी लगा लगा के उसको सही कर देते. Right?
True. तो
So
डेवलपर
basically what
लैंड
you need to
खरीदते ही
understand
सबसे
is,
पहले
again,
उसमें
yeah, sorry, yeah, please say.
बोल रही हूँ, फिर डेवलपर लैंड खरीदती सबसे पहले उसमें क्रिस्टल और पिरामिड डालता और उसके बाद
Correct.
काम चालू करता.
Correct. But ऐसा नहीं होता है, so there are a lot of, as I'm saying, that you need to get into the depth of the situation, कि what is the situation there. Like I gave you an example of Southeast, right? Southeast में उन्होंने
Right.
जो है क्या कहते हैं, गड्ढा क्या हुआ था, उन्होंने पानी रखा हुआ था, इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, वो खत्म हो गया तो सही हो गया. Like another example I'll give you of one of the my clients, she bought an apartment in Dubai. एंड वहां तो ऑब्वियसली पीपल, देयर आर फॉलोवर्स, बट वो डेवलपर तो नहीं मान रहा है, उसने तो बिल्कुल अपने हिसाब से जो छोटी सी स्पेस में सब कुछ डालना था कर दिया. अब उनके ब्रह्म स्थान पे एग्जैक्टली किचन आ रहा था,
Okay.
और वो भी गैस का जो हॉब है वो एग्जैक्टली ब्रह्म स्थान पे आ रहा था. और
हम्म
वो जब से वहां पे मूव करी, पहले हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हुई, फिर रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हुई, फिर लोन्स हो गए, मतलब धीरे धीरे करके शी वाज लिटरली क्राइंग, शी सेड मेरे को सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो गई जब से मैं इस घर में आई हूँ।
हम्म
Right? Now, as per the traditional Vastu, that's why, they would leave a courtyard. The center of the
हम्म
house, which is the Brahmastan, had to be vacant. That has to be light. But
हम्म
now, again, applying it in the modern context, it is not possible. But then
हम्म
at least you can make sure that at least the toilet is not there in the Brahmastan. There is no kitchen or especially the hob in the Brahmastan. There should
हम्म
not be pillars or columns in the Brahmastan. If that happens, then it can really be really disastrous.
हम्म
Right? So I told her, I said, please move out of this property. That's the only solution to this. Right? But doesn't mean that for everybody I suggest the same thing. People hearing might say, अरे फिर हम तो, it's not practically possible कि हमने इतना पैसा, इतना मेहनत करके पैसा लगाया उसके ऊपर प्रॉपर्टी पे और हम एकदम मूव कर जाएं. I absolutely agree. Therefore,
मतलब wherever a
before you buy
remedy
a
is possible.
property, you consult a Vastu person. That's the ideal situation.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Because ultimately ठीक है यार, डेवलपर ने बना दिया, काम खत्म
Yeah.
कर दिया, so his story is over and done and dusted.
Yeah.
But when it comes to end buyer, so where is he wrong? उस बेचारे को क्या पता कि मतलब
Exactly.
वास्तु के
Exactly.
हिसाब से है कि नहीं है, whatever bare
Exactly.
minimum understanding that he has, उसके हिसाब से उसने buy कर लिया, and
Exactly.
suddenly if he has started having problems, so where is he wrong? मतलब he has invested good amount
Correct.
of money
Correct.
today in that
Absolutely.
house. So I think, from the buyer's perspective also, it's very important that they should have a basic understanding about Vastu as a concept, or even if you don't have, to at least consult somebody before you get into that high-end property.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So that's what, that's why we say at the initial start of the project, if Vastu is involved, it is wonderful situation. But अगर आप नहीं कर पाते, at least, for an end buyer, if you're moving to a property where you
Hmm.
have choices, कि ये ले सकता हूँ, ये नहीं ले सकता. So it's always better that, you consult a Vastu person before you making a decision. Because houses are no cheap. For certain people, they
Absolutely.
buy once a lifetime, right?
Hmm.
So, you're putting your savings, you're putting your hard-earned money into it. So it's always better that you get the Vastu checked and then make a decision.
True that. No, I
Yeah,
think very well said. It
yeah,
is so important that you be from a developer perspective or from a buyer's perspective. Developer के लिए तो equally important है, because
yeah.
he is making a dream home for someone. So,
Correct.
besides the money part of it or the commercial angle, he needs to ethically think about it. At least he's getting the ground roots cleared. He's getting the basics in place. ये तो बहुत ही
Correct.
बेसिक है, मतलब हम लोगों ने भी कभी इस एंगल से सोचा नहीं होगा कि लैंड की शेप कैसी है. आज तक
हाँ.
probably before discussion with you, हमने कभी उस एंगल से कभी देखा भी नहीं होगा कि ठीक है जी, ये प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर लैंड की शेप कैसी है. We've been actively working with almost all the bigger developers today. We coming from a merchant banking background. तो आज की डेट में जितने भी बड़े डेवलपर्स हैं, हम उनके साथ काम करते हैं. तो वहां पे हम जनरली देख लेते हैं, ठीक है, लोकेशन कैसी है, काम कैसे हो रहा है, आसपास की सराउंडिंग्स कैसी है. उस पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचने के लिए प्रोजेक्ट बिकेगा कैसे. बट लैंड एज अ शेप हैज नेवर कम टू द माइंड कि भैया वो
Correct.
लैंड की शेप कैसी है. So I
I
think, for me, it's a very good thought process, that once you are evaluating a project, and especially at the land stage, the
yeah.
shape of the land plays a very important role
It
again.
does. It does. So it does. In fact, Abhi, I'm just telling about the shape. When we get into the detailing, we see the slants also.
Hmm.
That is the shape. Is the land flat, or if there is a slant, then the slant is on which side? Which side is high? Which side is low?
Hmm.
All those things also needs to be considered.
Wow. No,
Yeah.
very good. I think, very, very interesting discussion.
Yeah.
We have, like, a lot of pointers which we would probably now start looking at before we
Correct.
discuss on any project.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. So here, Riddhi, my next question is, what future developments do you foresee in the field of Vastu and its impact on real estate? मतलब, everybody is talking about technology, any sector that you talk about. From the Vastu perspective, आपको कैसे लगता है ना, what are the new developments which are happening there and its impact on real estate as a sector?
See, now there's so much happening in the field of construction. आप जहाँ
Right.
जाओ construction ही चल रहा है, construction ही चल रहा है, and it is not just limited to metro cities. I
Hmm.
travel so much to the smaller towns, the B towns, the C towns, much smaller towns, and there is a lot of development happening. There's a lot of construction happening, and like
Absolutely.
the three basic things that a person needs or fights for is roti, kapda, and makan. So makan is very important. We all desire and dream of a dream house, where
Hmm.
we can live life in a happier way. When happiness में एक aspect जो आता है happiness का, उसमें घर भी आता है कि हमारा अच्छा घर हो, सुंदर घर हो, right? अच्छा घर, सुंदर घर तो डेवलपर बना देगा, पर पीसफुल भी तो होना चाहिए ना. There has to be peace in the
That's
family, there has to be peace in the,
that's the
there
catch.
has to
Right.
be happiness, there has to be good health in the house, and especially after
Hmm.
COVID. Why people are, I'm getting a lot of clients after COVID that, ma'am, for us, good health is very important. We're
Hmm.
spending so much of money, on making a house, and if there is no health, if there is no peace, then what is the sense of making a beautiful house?
Hmm.
Right? So here again, Vastu plays a very, very important role when health and happiness of a family is concerned. Right? आजकल आप
Hmm.
देखो इतने relationship issues होते हैं. Marriages are really falling apart.
Very
And
common.
when I say relationship, I just don't mean about marriage, even otherwise between brothers, between parents and children,
Absolutely.
between siblings, there's so many, I get so many cases. So
Hmm.
here also, Vastu can really alter, can really, bring a change in your thought process, which can eventually help you, or which can, lead you to a happy life, where within your family members, everybody talks about money, 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 and I get a lot of clients, who say, oh, paisa kab aayega? But apart from money, I certainly feel health and happiness is equally important. What if
Hmm.
you have a lot of money, but you have no good health, or you are not happy? Then that money is of no use, you
True.
know?
I think health and happiness is more important than the money part of it. It's like,
Absolutely, absolutely.
uh,
So in the modern context, when like I said, the way the houses are changing, the way the shapes are changing, so if we keep, but as I said, the directions are the same, the Panch Mahabhutas are the same, sun movement is the same. So Vastu application is the same, and it is very, very important as well. So if we incorporate it from the very beginning, then yes, we can achieve a lot of things in life.
hmm.
Right? These five elements eventually, as I said, helps us in leading a perfect life, a balanced life. Again, I say वास्तु is no magic. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने घर में वास्तु करा लिया या ऑफिस में करा लिया तो प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आएंगी. वो तो आएंगी. That challenges are part of life. But then, yes, how do you deal with them and how do you make the maximum of it and how do you benefit out of it is where Vastu as a science helps.
True that.
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely. So basically, and do you think there are some new technologies or anything which is coming from the Vastu perspective also, which you think, probably will add to the real estate sector? Any new developments on the Vastu side? Kuch naye concepts, anything new which is happening on the technology side, which can probably help the
See,
developers?
now that this entirely depends on how does a Vastu consultant
Right.
makes use of the technology. Now AI is coming, how you can actually make AI. But then there are
Right.
a lot of things in which the human touch is very important.
AI and Vastu, I think very important discussion.
Yeah,
Your
yeah,
thoughts on
yeah,
it?
yeah. So AI is there, but then, a lot of things that human touch is very different. Like
Hmm.
if you, for example, see medical line, technology is really, really taken over. Right now, you have those robotic, surgeries. You have those laser surgeries. Every technology has become a big part. But then still, you want to go meet the doctor, talk to him. You want him to
Hmm.
examine you in person, right?
Hmm.
So same is the case with Vastu also. ठीक है, the technology is there. As a Vastu consultant, even I do seek some technological help. But then eventually, I have to go see the land, see the feel of the land. जैसे हम
Absolutely.
अपनी नब्स चेक करते हैं ना, ऐसे जमीन की भी नब्स होती है. तो जब हमने वास्तु किया था, our teacher taught us, pick up the land, smell it. Earlier times they would taste it also, and like जैसे कुरुक्षेत्र है,
Okay.
कुरुक्षेत्र की
हाँ.
मिट्टी लाल होती है.
हाँ.
So same is the case. I went to, back Mangalore. Mangalore की भी मिट्टी लाल थी. Right?
Hmm.
What does that indicate? That means that that place is rich in minerals.
Okay.
Right? Now there are certain places where चिकनी मिट्टी होती है, soft मिट्टी होती है, जहाँ पे
Hmm.
that is very good for making residences. Where
Okay.
there's red sand, it is very good for doing any commercial activity. Right? So the classic of Vastu describes the types of lands, the types of soil that we have in our country, and what activity can be done on that particular type of soil, and how you can benefit out of it. Right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Very
So suppose,
interesting.
you have, there was a way of testing in earlier times that they would leave some water, on they would dig a small pit and leave some water and check after a few hours. If the water is gone, the earth has absorbed it completely. That means it's the best form of land. Right? Then second would be, if it is just half gone, then it is okay. If the water is still there, it's standing, that means that piece of land is not good to do any activity.
Okay.
Yeah. So, this much depth, you need to know the subject. So for that,
Absolutely.
you
So
need to,
it's like, very, very interesting. Yeah. There are so many things which
yeah,
we as laymen don't even want to think about it. No, probably
absolutely.
कि सॉइल यार कौन जाके आज की डेट में जनरली आई डोंट थिंक वी आर द बायर फॉरगेट इट हम लोग तो जो उस टाइम पे होता है उस
Hmm.
टाइम पे हम लोग सॉइल वॉइल क्या चेक करेंगे बट फ्रॉम अ डेवलपर पर्सपेक्टिव आल्सो आई डोंट
Yeah.
थिंक यार एनीबडी वुड बी गेटिंग इन एंड चेकिंग द सॉइल ऑल्सो कि ठीक है अगर मैं कमर्शियल बना रहा हूँ तो ये सॉइल ऐसी होनी चाहिए या अगर मैं
Yeah.
रेजिडेंशियल प्लान कर रहा हूँ द
Huh.
soil quality has to be this way.
Huh.
Very interesting discussion. I think,
It
we.
is, it is. So therefore, what I'm saying, when we start talking about, this technology. So the technology, maybe, some techniques come which can check the soil, and there are techniques, but then still
Right.
you need to go and, check yourself, see yourself,
Hmm.
because see, at times it so happens, that there is a mix of, characteristics of the soil. Then in
Hmm.
such a scenario, what do you do? Or, the client says, नहीं नहीं यहाँ की लाल मिट्टी कोई बात नहीं, मेरे को तो घर ही बनाना है, फिर क्या करें?
हाँ, what is the
और
solution
हाँ,
there?
या
अगर
वहां पे,
हाँ,
the soil is such that it is more applicable for making a residence, but the client says, no, I
right.
don't want to have a residence there. Right?
हाँ.
So then what do we do? So there are treatments now here where the role of technology comes.
Okay.
Right? So here there are treatments which we need to do. But then for that, that basic knowledge has to come.
Hmm.
Right? So then that comes, and then with the help of technology, yes, you can, really bring about a change in the land, in the soil, which can be used for the proper functioning of whatever structure you're making there. राइट?
True.
जैसे कई जगह होती है सोनल, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई मॉल है पर्टिकुलर, वो बहुत
Right.
अच्छा चल रहा है,
Hmm.
सिमिलरली उसके बगल में एक और मॉल है जो अच्छा नहीं चल रहा, राइट?
हाँ, there has
वही
to be
वही
reason.
हाँ,
Right.
there has to be a difference. Now what is the difference? That
Hmm.
is where the role of a vastu person comes, right?
True.
Then what is the difference? What is making this particular piece of land work in a different way, give different results, whereas this particular piece is not generating that good results,
Hmm.
right? So this is it.
No, very interesting. I
Yeah,
think, you truly bang on it कि ठीक है, technology when we talking about can
yeah,
definitely help, लेकिन basic understanding तो आप ही को चाहिए होगी जब तक आपको ये पता ही नहीं होगा कि ये चीज
yeah,
ठीक नहीं है, आप उसमें technology apply करके change भी क्या करा लोगे. A very clear example, like you mentioned, that,
yeah.
if you're not even aware that probably this kind of soil is not good for residential, so you will start the work, आप उसको बनाना शुरू
Absolutely.
कर लोगे, and उसके बाद जब issues आने शुरू होते हैं, then you will start finding out remedies on those basis, and at certain point of time, even वो stage भी cross हो जाती है, probably remedies भी ढूंढना मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Correct.
Obviously, in a constructed project which is at a sale situation, आप उसमें कितनी रेमेडी निकाल लोगे. बट इफ यू आर अवेयर ऑफ इट कि ठीक है मेरे को यहाँ पे रेजिडेंशियल बनाना है, लेकिन probably the soil is not that good, where probably residential can come up, you will obviously use it technology to change the soil or do some
Yes, yes.
work on it. So at least the basic understanding has to be there even to use the
Correct,
technology.
correct,
Right.
correct. Very true, very true.
Very good. I think, very well taken here, Riddhi. So here comes my last question before I go back to the audience for
Yeah.
the questions from them. Common challenges faced by developers and buyers while applying Vastu principles in modern settings. I would like to break this into two parts. From the developer's perspective, when they want to apply Vastu, what are the common challenges they face? And from a buyer's perspective, what are the challenges they face when they're buying a house from the Vastu perspective? हाँ मतलब ignorance is one thing which is common in both, कि अगर आपको पता ही नहीं होगा, be you a developer, be you a buyer, तो आप उसको अप्लाई क्या करोगे? बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम इग्नोरेंस, व्हाट आर द अदर challenges which they face?
ओके सो
Yeah,
देखो जैसे मैंने कहा कि जो डेवलपर होता है उसका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होता है कि टू सेल द प्रॉपर्टी,
absolutely.
राइट? सो किस तरह से ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी बनाए जो कि उसकी प्रॉपर्टी सेल, right?
Hmm.
So that is the biggest challenge that the buyers faces. Now, from the person who's buying the property, they want, as I said, happiness, peace, growth, everything in the house, right?
Hmm.
So for that, they need to, check the property from this angle that, that it ensures that there is no untoward incident that happens in the house where they are buying. Or,
Hmm.
if they're buying a commercial property or if they're buying an industrial property, it should yield them profits. Eventually, everybody is working for profits, for
Right.
benefit. चाहे आप खरीद रहे हो चाहे आप बेच रहे हो, आपको इससे बेनिफिट होना चाहिए, राइट? सो दैट इज द एम ऑफ एवरीबडी, be it, it's either side. Now
हाँ,
the
buyer or a
challenge,
developer.
yeah, the
Right.
challenges that comes, that like I said, that हमारे पास ये पर्टिकुलर पीस ऐसा ही लैंड का पार्सल है, हमें इसी में बनाना है, हमारे को रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं कि हमें इतने ही फ्लोर्स बना सकते हैं हम, या यहाँ पे हम यही चीज कर सकते हैं, we cannot stretch beyond, then
Hmm.
the role of Vastu consultant comes, that okay, in this particular
Hmm.
piece of land, how we can, maximize things so that a person is able to gain out of it,
Hmm.
right? Now coming about the residents, now coming about a person who is buying the property, तो
Right.
अगर आप खरीद रहे हो तो दो तीन पॉइंट्स होते हैं जो मैं कहती हूँ हर बारी लोगों को, कि जस्ट चेक द नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड द नॉर्थ ईस्ट, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी टॉयलेट, देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी किचन.
Hmm.
बाकी चीजें हम रेमेडी करके सही कर सकते हैं. जनरली साउथ वेस्ट का जो एंट्रेंस होता है उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए कहा जाता है, पर
Hmm.
वो भी हम जो सिंपल रेमेडीज करके उसको रेक्टिफाई कर सकते हैं, तो वो भी ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, right? So when I started in the beginning, and as I said, it is not a science to be feared of. It is not a science, कि अरे ये गलत हो गया, ये अनर्थ हो गया, या ये क्या हो गया, ऐसा नहीं, right? These are guiding signs. कि अच्छा ये डायरेक्शंस आपके लिए यहाँ पे बेडरूम नहीं हो, इस जगह बेडरूम, राइट? अब प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आती है सोनल, जहाँ पीपल आर बिकम रिजिड,
राइट, क्या हमें करना ही नहीं है.
हमें यही करना है कि साउथ
हाँ.
वेस्ट में ही बेडरूम होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है.
राइट.
आपका नॉर्थ वेस्ट में भी बेडरूम हो, दैट इज इक्वली गुड. आपका ईस्ट में बेडरूम हो, दैट्स वेरी गुड फॉर कनेक्शंस, राइट? साउथ ईस्ट में अगर आपका बेडरूम हो, दैट्स वेरी गुड फॉर रिकवरी ऑफ मनी, राइट? सो इट्स नॉट दैट साउथ वेस्ट में होना चाहिए. अब देखो, पहले टाइम पे जो फैमिली साइजेस थे, दे वर वेरी बिग, right? There would be 15, 20 people living in one family. The head of the family played a very important role. So southwest is the direction for stability. Southwest is authority. So if somebody, the head of the family stays there, so that person will have an authority because everybody will listen to that person. Now, even a 10-year-old child will not listen to you, right? He will say, why? So now people are becoming very individualistic, right? And everybody has the right to take their own decisions.
Decisions, absolutely.
Right? So why just limit कि साउथ वेस्ट में बेडरूम अच्छा होता है, बट उसको लिमिट मत करो. Then this theory, somebody told me कि वो हम ना 2 फ्लोर का मकान बना रहे हैं, and we have heard that the parent should be on the top floor and the kids should be on the ground floor, जिससे होल्ड होता है. ऐसा कहीं नहीं लिखा. These are all insecurities. So people are kind of clubbed in their insecurities and start selling it on the name of Vastu.
That's
Which is
what.
not there.
That is the whole thing, that
Yeah.
people need to understand the science behind it.
Exactly. So there is no insecurities attached with Vastu, right? As I said, there are no strings attached. There is nothing, again, I'm saying there's nothing Shubh Ashubh, there's nothing lucky, unlucky, there's nothing laughing Buddha रख दोगे. देखो क्या होता है तो पैसे आने लगेंगे. अब laughing Buddha है, it has a cute smile. When you look, even in your bad, if you're in a bad mood, you feel like smiling, right?
True.
So it's playing with your mind. So otherwise also it is said that, in our scriptures also said that in the house have something, keep things which are positive, be it in terms of paintings, be it in terms of artifacts, don't have anything which is negative, right? Why? Because eventually it affects our mind. When it affects our mind, it affects our thought process. Then we start behaving that way. Right?
True.
So this is the reason, this is the logic, and this is the reason that you should be surrounded by, positive things around you. Now, coming to the question that you asked about Vastu only. So, when somebody is buying a property, then remember what I said, northeast and northeast, no toilet, no kitchen. Southwest entry needs to be avoided. Rest, everything can be, taken care. Also, Brahmasthan, which is the center of the house. Now, this applies to both the developer also and to somebody who's buying. That Brahmasthan, jitna khali rahe, jitna, level pe rahe, utna better hai. Like, abhi I did a Vastu for a factory, and they also had a pit in the Brahmasthan, and they faced a lot of challenges.
Okay.
So Brahmasthan is like this, spinal cord of your, land. So you should not be messing up with the Brahmasthan. The center has to be equal, center has to be solid, then only it can provide support to the structure. Right? So this is it.
No, interesting. I think, very, very interesting to understand that there are so many things people talk about it, but उसमें से scientifically कितना prove कर सकते हैं हम लोग, that people have to think about it rather than there are lot of people who come back and tell you ऐसे कर लो, वैसे कर लो, यहाँ कर लो, उधर कर लो.
Correct.
And frankly speaking, when somebody is undergoing that, कि probably, ठीक है, जब बना रहे होते हो या जब आप खरीद रहे होते हो उस टाइम पे तो आप ignorant हो जाते हो. But when you see the implication of it, कि कि जब आप पे impact पड़ना शुरू होता है कि things are not moving right, or probably there are situations which are out of control. So that is where you are ready to believe or do anything what people are talking about, with the perspective कि शायद कुछ चीजें change हो
Something
जाए.
might change, yes.
शायद कुछ चीजें positive हो जाए. So it's very important for people to understand from the scientific aspect कि जो भी वास्तु की आज के दिन में discussion होती है, so there is science behind it, and understand the science and consult good people rather than anybody who's there to give you guidance on those bases. It's very important also to go back to the right people and discuss.
Correct. That's very important. That you go to the right people, connect with the right person.
Absolutely.
And connect with the person who has knowledge. Don't go to somebody who's instilling fear in you. Or somebody who's telling, ये पूजा कर लो, ये पत्थर गाड़ दो, ये कर दो. ऐसे के पास please मत जाइए. That means that person lacks knowledge. That is why he's giving you these marketing gimmicks.
True. Right? I think very interesting discussion. Thank you so very much, Riddhi, for taking our time. I think there is one question here from Rahul. Yeah. So he, Riddhi, giving your extensive experience in both astrology and Vastu, could you share a memorable case study where your Vastu recommendation led to a significant positive change for a corporate client without requiring any structural alteration? I think very interesting.
Okay, Rahul, there are so many cases like this, where I can give you so many examples where, we did no structural changes, and that is what I specialize in. And we did a lot of changes, whether it was about getting a job, about transfer. There have been so many cases, getting a position. I remember, I have this habit of writing, when I do the research and all the cases. So last year, I remember I did around 9 cases, I guess, about infertility, where the couples, again, most of them were corporate couples, and they were not able to have babies, And believe me, Sonal, after doing the Vastu, 9 out of 9, 8 of them have had babies. In fact, 2 couples had twins also, So, that has been the case. Abhi, I visited Ahmedabad, and there was this particular factory which was declared as a sick unit. And the owners were, really wanting to shut it down. I did the Vastu for the Bombay unit, and they got results, and they were very happy. And, they said, will you do something for this factory as well? Because we are really planning to, shut it down. And here the problem was that there was a lot of office politics happening within the factory. Right? Okay. And Abhi, last week I was there, and this gentleman said, now things have really, really changed. Then there was this one example where this gentleman was...
office politics ke andar, how would the remedies or anything help?
For what?
Just office politics and stuff when we're talking about.
Yes. Southeast is the direction. We need to check out the southeast direction for that.
Okay.
Yeah, so
And
if there
what
are
is the kind of
problems,
remedy and stuff which can work here? Just for the basic understanding part of it.
so
उसमें हम
see,
लोग क्या change
we
करें?
yeah. So we need to see, like Southeast है तो उसका लेवल नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको एग्जांपल दिया, वाटर बॉडी नहीं होनी चाहिए, ओवरहेड
Hmm.
टैंक साउथ ईस्ट में नहीं होने चाहिए, ब्लैक कलर बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए साउथ ईस्ट में, right?
Okay.
Anything to do with water should not be there in Southeast
Hmm.
because it's a fire zone. Anything to do with fire is very good there, right? So this is it. Basically, the level of land in Southeast should be higher or at the same level. It should not be lower. Neither that really creates problems.
Understood.
Yeah,
No.
that is one thing. And then, there was this example of, person selling, which I just said that, person selling his land,
Factory.
and within 40 days, he was able to sell it. Then there was this particular IT company, which, they had, they were doing business, but not up to the expectations. And after
Hmm.
doing Vastu, they started getting very good results. And then eventually that owner sold the, company to a US-based company and minted a big profit. So there
Wow.
have been lots and lots of cases, Rahul, which, I can go on, and even about health issues, about, there was this client of mine and they had a toilet in Northeast, and again, they had moved to a ready to move in, apartment.
That's
And
fine. You don't have an option there.
you don't have an option there. And I told them, they said, nahi, nahi. And the gentleman suffered a massive heart attack, after moving within 3 months. Then they agreed to, shifting it to a different place, although that was cumbersome, I agree. But then it's been 3 years and that gentleman's parameters, everything is normal now, you
Wow.
know. So, there have been cases. So what I'm trying to say is that there are cases where थोड़ा बहुत structural करना पड़ता है, but not necessarily कि हर बार करना पड़ता है. It's not that always, things, there has to be structural change or major change, which involves a lot of cost. It's not always. Right?
Great.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you so very much. Anybody, any other questions? I think, she will be more than happy to have it
Yeah.
right now, or probably in case anybody wants to connect with her, I think, probably you can let me know. I'll be more than happy to connect, Riddhi. And an amazing session. Really enjoyed all the discussions that we're talking about here. And we will definitely look forward to any further sessions with you. I think abhi aapke paas lot of queries would start coming in from the developer sites also and from the end customers also. Yeah, Chitra has one short question. Chitra,
Yeah.
would you like to take it now? Hi, team. I think Chitra wants to take up a question. If you can
I'm
allow.
waiting. I'm waiting.
Yeah. Reena, I think Chitra wants to take up a question. So if you can allow her to.
Hi, can you hear me?
Hi,
Yes,
Chitra.
yes, Chitra, we can hear you.
Sorry, joined a little late, but
No problems.
very interesting. I can see the joy on your face when you're talking about, the work that you're doing. I'll just keep my question very brief. This
Yeah.
came to me from a friend of ours who said that just about 6 weeks ago, they made a change in their house.
Okay.
On the southern side, they actually, for some landscape reason, they made a water body exactly on the southern corner. And they said suddenly there was people at home falling sick. And so somebody told him, why don't you just check on the Vastu aspect of it? So he called me to check. So I said, I don't know too much, but I can just do some very broad, points that I know. And I said, from what I gather from Vastu, where south and southwest are not really ideal for you to be going below the ground level. On the contrary, it should be higher. So I think best is to just close down whatever you have excavated. Was that the right advice? I just wanted a quick, reply on that.
Yes. That's the right advice. That's southwest, and south. Any of the south direction and the southwest direction should not be below the ground level. It can be higher or it has to be at the same level as the ground is.
Okay. So I also suggested that, they had made a masonry wall to make, it was like a little pool, I think they had made or something like that. So
Okay.
I said, please remove the wall, tiles, everything, and let the soil to soil connection should be there. Just remove everything, that you have made in an artificial manner and fill it up with soil. I said,
Yes.
you
That's the
anyway have to grow.
right advice. Also,
Is that
Chitra,
okay?
if you ask them to check their northeast direction also, because that is a
Okay.
direction that is directly connected to health.
Okay, because he said suddenly, Chitra, I can feel the effects of jab se 6 hafte hue, and I can feel that a lot of things are not going well for
I
us.
understand.
So
I
I'll
can.
I'll ask him to check on the Northeast as well.
Yeah,
So thank you so much. So just was
that's right.
thinking, okay, let me just see if I have
So,
given the right advice or
Riddhi, so
which
there comes from an architect. So Chitra is basically an architect herself, and
Oh, lovely, lovely,
she's
Chitra.
basically worked as a faculty with SPA as well.
Oh, lovely,
Yeah,
lovely,
so
Chitra.
that's how,
That's
I
nice.
was generally thinking about the question that we had. I think, Chitra had not joined at that point of time, that Vastu and architecture. So they're generally, people confused between कि जी हमारे architect ने ऐसे ही बनाया है या वास्तु वाला आके उसमें structural changes करा देगा. So that's a gap. But Chitra has been doing a fantastic work herself. She's basically done a lot of work under the architecture.
I'm sure. So see,
So
if you see if you Google search, what is the, Hindi name of architect? Architecture को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? तो उसको कहते हैं
Vastushilp,
वास्तु शिल्प कला,
yeah,
right.
Vastushilp,
right? So in fact, the modern architecture is a part of the ancient Vastu.
yeah. I totally agree. When
Yeah.
you look at it from a perspective that you are only relating the role of energies
Correct.
into your built and unbuilt spaces.
Right,
So
right.
it is, our ancient wisdom of looking at, the sun movement, where you are, which is positive. Early morning, you think that, okay, is more positive for you.
Yeah,
And it brings in light after darkness. So it kind of, you just relate it to, what is happening
correct,
in nature. You
correct.
will have most of your answers. It's only when you try to kind of go against it, I think that it doesn't work. And as you said, that there's nothing really to fear.
Yeah,
You
there's
know,
nothing to fear. Absolutely, absolutely. इसमें
yeah.
कोई डर तो है ही नहीं.
In fact, I know, my ex-boss from, from DLF used to tell me that, oh, I always slept with my head towards north, and I've been fine. So
Yeah,
it's not that everybody gets affected by view good.
exactly. You nailed it right, Chitra. You
Yeah.
exactly nailed it right.
So yeah, thank you so much, and I definitely will be touching base with you again, Riddhi. And
Thank you so much, Chitra. I'm looking
thank
forward to
you.
touching base with you. Yeah.
Thank you, and wonderful session, Sonal. You always bring the right people and have the right, topics selected.
Chitra, frankly speaking, I happened to hear her discussion during another session she was taking with the FICCI guys. And I was so impressed the way she was addressing the questions and basics about Vastu. So that was almost around 1.5 months back. So
Yeah.
from that time, I was generally trying to connect with her if she can take a session for the NaredCo Mahi team also, because मेरे को यही लगा, their Vastu and real estate is something which goes hand in hand.
Hand
So
in hand.
it's very
Absolutely.
important
Yeah.
for developers or the buyers also to understand the science behind Vastu, because everybody only talks about कि हम ऐसे कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें ऐसा बोला गया है. But
Right.
ऐसा क्यों बोला गया है, what is the science behind it, is very important for people to understand.
Yeah, true. There's a lot of blind faith also, and then say it has to be this only. So they say, as you said, na, that master bed, most people think 99% they will say, oh, southwest mein hona chahiye.
Right.
But it might not always be possible to get your master bed in the southwest or kitchen in the southeast. So you do have to kind of make some remedies, or maybe if it is not possible to change, then I think the Vastu consultant always has some remedies to suggest which kind of works. So I think there's nothing really to fear.
Yes, very true.
Yeah.
Right.
So sorry, I'm in a place where the reception is not too good, so I'm not turning on the video.
That's
But,
okay. That's okay. That's okay.
yeah.
That's okay.
So lovely to see you. Lovely to see you, Sonal. And
Thank you so
we'll
much.
stay in touch. Yeah.
Yes.
I'll connect you to Riddhi. Probably, anytime you want to connect
Mm.
with her because you guys have a common platform to discuss from Vastu and the architecture perspective. So I think, a lot of synergy which you guys can discuss on.
Mm.
Right, sure. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so
And
much.
Thank you, Sonal.
thanks a lot, Riddhi, for joining in and very, very interesting session. I think,
Thanks.
I am taking back a lot of eye-opening things, which, probably I would have not thought about it. For example, Vastu going global. मेरे को तो लगता था आज तक अभी सिर्फ इंडिया में जूझ रहे हैं with Vastu and staff who will think about it from the global perspective. But, very interesting to understand that you've done a lot of work even in the global market. Land, आज तक कभी हमने सोचा ही नहीं था कि लैंड की क्या शेप है. Square है, rectangle है, triangle है, what is the shape of the land, circle है. Nobody thinks about it. Yeah? So unless and until, we get to hear from people like you that, probably we realize because land shape is something which is important to look at. Third is on the soil. Boss, matlab, red soil, the other soil, this is for residential, this is good for commercial. Nobody thinks about it. I'm
Exactly.
sure most of the developers also don't think that deep into it. कि probably soil क्या है वहाँ पे जहाँ पे आप project लगाने के लिए जा रहे हैं. So very impressive and very interesting discussion. I'm so happy that we are doing this session with you today, and we will definitely look forward to a lot more sessions with you in order to discuss this work.
Thank you so much, Sonal. Thank you so much. I hope people who attended, to them it made sense and they have something to take back to.
Right. Thank you so much. Pleasure meeting.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you,
Bye.
everyone. Thanks for joining in. It was a very interesting discussion.